How to delete Netflix profile. So basically, if you'd like to delete your Netflix profile, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open your browser and go to netflix.com, or if you're using the mobile app, go ahead and open the mobile app, right? All you have to do is go to the profile section from the top right on PC and from bottom on mobile users, and just go to this option that says manage profiles. So once you go to this option that says manage profiles, there are a couple of settings to choose from right here. So you could just have to select the profile that you want to delete. So just select a certain profile that you'd like to delete. And once you've done that, you just have to go ahead and then just scroll down to the bottom until you see this option that is delete profile. And so all you have to do is just click on the delete profile button, and then you'll be able to delete your Netflix profile. This way you'll be able to delete your Netflix profile. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.